Hi, this is the second video for this section. We've done some examples in the first video that reviewed the concepts and symbols, and now in this one, let's dig a little deeper into how those ideas can help us describe really intricate things, intricate parts of the diagram. So for instance, how can we describe region 1 all by itself? So region 1, if we look way back up here, region 1 had flamingos in it. And how could we say just this section, just the flamingos section, region 1, and leave out this overlapping section? So what we're looking for is some way to say that flamingos have wings, but they're not part of this circle. They are not extinct. So think about those words, have wings and are not extinct. That's going to help us completely translate this into symbols. So here's flamingos have wings and are not extinct. The and symbol is the intersection. Every time you see and or but, use this intersection symbol to symbolize it. And then not, the not symbol is just this little tick or quote mark, right? So flamingos are in this part of the set, the part that has wings and is not extinct. So it's an intersection, right? But it's an intersection with not E, the part that's not in E. That's a little hard maybe to kind of wrap your mind around. Well, it'll get better, but for now, think of the direct translation. W and not E. And there you go. So another animal is golden toads. So remember these golden toads? I don't even know what golden toads are, but they're extinct. And there they are in the extinct part. And of course they don't have wings. Toads do not have wings, right? So they're extinct and they don't have wings. So you could pretty much figure that out right now. E and not W. Extinct and not wings. Think about how you would write that in symbols as I scroll back down to where we were. There it is. Golden toads are an element of this part of the sets. E, intersect, not W. It's a direct translation. Now the last part of this video, so this is a short one, but this is kind of tougher, is we're thinking W union E not with a complement or tick mark outside that. Pretend it's not a curly quote. I couldn't get that to work. It should be just a straight quote. So what region is that going to be? So there's sort of an order of operations for sets, just like with algebra, where you look inside the parentheses first. So remember W union E? So W union E is all of both circles, right? So now if it says W union E and then parentheses not on the outside, it's everything that's not this stuff right here. So what region would that be? Just this region right here. Imagine everything that's not this whole part here, and you've got that region on the outside. We don't happen to have any animals in that region, but if there were, then we would list those animals. And that's it. So now think about this before you go into video 3, which is going to be with 3 circles. Think about how you would organize things with Venn diagrams in your classroom, just as an organizer to say this thing fits in this category, this thing fits in that category. It can be a lot of fun. See you in the next video.